Hello students, today's topic is based on strength of acids and bases and it is in continuation with the same chapter, that is acid, bases and salts. This is a very important topic, and by using pH scale we will decide whether the given solution is strong acid or a weak acid, or it is strong base or weak base. So pH scale, it is given by Sorensen in the year of 1909, and here pH में P का मतलब होता है potence in German. What does it mean? Potence means power, right? And H means concentration of hydrogen ion. So let's start. This is the pH scale. We are using this formula to decide the power or strength of an acid, and this formula is pH is inversely proportional to the concentration of hydrogen ion. What does it mean? If you increase the concentration of hydrogen ion, the solution will become more and more acidic, and we decrease the concentration of hydrogen ion, then the solution will become less acidic, or sometimes no acidic, it will become neutral or either basic in nature. So pH scale decides whether the given solution is acidic, basic, how much acidic, how much basic in nature. So in this scale there are numbers from 0 to 14. 0 से लेके 14 तक इसमें नंबर है. 0 से लेके 14 तक हमने स्केल बनाया है, एंड इसमें सेंटर में है 7, which is pH. It means pH 7. The solution which have pH 7, it means they are neutral. Neither they are acidic nor they are basic. And we have pure water, distilled water, 100% pure water. Its pH value is 7 because it is neither acidic nor basic. On the other hand, if you decrease the pH value less than 7, if the pH value is less than 7, the acidity or strength of an acid, it increases. If it is 6, 5, 4, 3.5 तक भी they are acids, but they are weak acids. But if you decrease the pH value like 3, 2, 1 and 0, the strength of an acid increases. It means the pH value, if the solution is having pH value 0, that means कि the acid is the strongest acid. And pH 0 कौन से एसिड्स का होता है? Like concentrated H2SO4 has pH value 0, or we can have concentrated hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, that is also having pH value 0. So they are the strongest acid. If you increase the pH value like 3, 4, 5, 6 तक weak acids like acetic acid, formic acid, they are very weak acids. So उनकी वैल्यू होती है 5.5 और 6 like this. 7, it means neither acidic nor basic, that is pure water. And if you have pH value more than 7, that is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, the concentration of hydrogen ion will decrease so much, but the concentration of OH ion, that is hydroxide ion, will increase. So starting from 7 to 8, 9, 10 and half pH value तक, all the solutions will be weak bases, and from 10 and half to 11, 12, 13, 14 तक, all the solutions, they are strong bases. The pH value 14, strongest base, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, concentrated sodium hydroxide, it has pH value 14. So the now summary is that concentration of hydrogen ion increases by decreasing the pH value, because they have a inversely proportional relation. pH is inversely proportional to hydrogen ion concentration. If you decrease the pH value, the concentration of hydrogen ion will increase and your solution will be more and more acidic. If you increase the pH value like 8 to 14, the concentration of hydrogen ion will decrease and sulfuric acid and hydrofluoric acid. They have pH value 0. On the other hand, at 7, solution becomes neutral, that is distilled water, 100% pure water has pH value 7. On the other hand, we have concentration, the pH value if it is more than 7, 8, 9, 10, the concentration of hydrogen ion will decrease. On the other hand, the concentration of OH ion, that is hydroxide ion, will increase, and this hydroxide ion will make the solution basic. 8, 9, 10 the weak bases हैं, and if you increase the pH value up to 14 pH value will be having the strongest base, that is sodium hydroxide. So this is about pH value. I have drawn this diagram here, that is यहाँ से अगर start करोगे तो increasing hydrogen ion concentration, if you come down from 7 to 0, it increases the concentration of hydrogen ion and the solution will become more and more acidic. Here from 7, if you increase the OH ion concentration, OH ion concentration means hydroxide concentration, hydroxide ion concentration, then the solution will become more and more basic. Here from 7.5, 8 to 10.5 that the solution will be weak bases or weak alkali you can say, and after that 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 तक पहुँचते the solution will be having highest strength of a base, that is strongest base, sodium hydroxide, strong bases, strong alkali you can also say. So this is all about strength of how to find out the strength of acids and bases solutions. So I hope you have understood it very well, and this is a very important topic of this chapter, and thank you so much and all the best. Take care. Bye.